what do you think? Are you ready for the future of delivery? Jet suits are a new and exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we deliver goods. These suits are basically wearable jetpacks that allow the wearer to fly through the air. Why this technology is getting so much of attention? Well, there are a few reasons behind it. Number 1, fast delivery. Jet suits can reach the speed of up to 80 to 85 miles per hour, which makes it much faster than traditional methods. This could be a major advantage to businesses that need to deliver goods quickly, such as e-commerce companies. Second, more efficient. A jet suit doesn't need to worry about traffic or road conditions, so it can deliver goods to even the most remote locations. This could be another major advantage to businesses that deliver goods to rural areas or to areas that are difficult to access by road. Third, environment friendly. These suits deliver in more environmental friendly ways. Jet suits don't produce emissions, so they are much more sustainable way to deliver goods. This could be a major advantage for businesses that are looking to reduce their environmental impact. Does this information make you excited? If yes, then do like and share the video.